In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eye-catching design using Canva. Don't worry if you're new to Canva or graphic design. I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can follow along smoothly. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to Canva and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, creating an account is straightforward and free. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is your creative hub where you can start any new design project. Here's our project. Now, let's create our canvas. Navigate to the Create a Design button, typically found on the top right-hand corner. For this project, we'll be working with a square canvas, so choose the option for a 1090 by 1080 pixels canvas. This size is ideal for social media posts, especially for platforms like Instagram, where square visuals shine. With your blank canvas ready, it's time to add some personality. We'll start by incorporating an image. On the left-hand side menu of your Canva interface, you'll see an Uploads tab. Click on that to upload an image from your device, or you can choose from various Canva stock images if you prefer. Once you have your desired image, simply click on it to place it onto your canvas. Feel free to adjust its size and position to suit your design vision. Next, let's focus on the background of your canvas. Click directly on the canvas or the background itself, and you should see a toolbar appear at the top. This toolbar is your key to customizing your background. Locate the color tool, which will allow you to change the background color. It's a simple yet effective way to set the mood for your design. In the toolbar, you'll notice an option for document colors. Here you can add a new color if you don't find one that fits your needs. This feature allows you to use a color picker tool, also known as the eyedropper tool, which we'll use next. Click on this tool to activate a magnifying glass overlay. With the magnifying glass, hover over different colors within your canvas or image to sample one that appeals to you. This is a fantastic way to achieve harmony within your design by pulling colors directly from your elements. Once you've found the perfect color, simply click to apply it to your background. And there you have it, a beautifully customized canvas ready to capture attention. From here, you can continue to refine your design, adding text, shapes, or additional elements to bring your vision to life. Canva offers a world of possibilities for creativity, so feel free to explore and experiment. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing with Canva.